that panel, and the engineer is on the phone to maintenance watch. Once they have an update, I'll let you know. Unfortunately, I don't have much more information at this point, but once the engineer is off the phone, I will hopefully keep you updated. Thank you.
Required to do due to it being a busy time of day in Perth, and that departure time is in approximately 8 minutes with a window of 15 minutes on that. So we're expecting to be underway in the next 10 minutes or so.
Your phone should already be in flight mode. If it isn't, please do so now. If you lose your electronic device at any time, please avoid moving your seat or trying to retrieve it, as phones and tablets may be destroyed if they're caught in the seat mechanism. Just ask a crew member for help. It's also time to ensure that your seat back is upright and your tray table is stowed. And if you missed anything, it's on the safety card, or speak to a crew member. Whether you're starting your journey or coming home, welcome aboard. If you need anything, just ask the crew. They're here to help, so follow their instructions at all times. Have a great flight, and thank you for choosing Qantas Link.
And even if you fly with Qantas, often as each aircraft is different, we ask that you pay attention to the cabin crew narrative as we take you through the safety features of this Qantas Link Airbus A320.
Welcome to Qantas Link. For 100 years, we've been connecting Aussies with the world, and the entire world with the spirit of Australia. Wherever your journey takes you today, arriving safely is our first priority. So pay attention for the next few minutes to learn the safety features of your Qantas Link Airbus A320. Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the clasp into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. You can undo your seatbelt by lifting the flap. For your safety, keep it done up low and tight during takeoff, landing, and whenever the seatbelt sign is on. That includes infants and children. While seated at other times, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened. If oxygen is required, a mask will drop from above. Pull down firmly to activate the oxygen. Put it on quickly and tighten the strap. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating. Fit your own mask first and then help others. There's a life jacket in a pouch under your seat. The crew are now demonstrating how to fit your life jacket. If it's required, remove your life jacket from the pouch by pulling the tab. Put it over your head, pass the strap around your waist, clip the front, then tighten. There are red tags and mouthpieces for inflation and a whistle and light to attract attention. Make sure you only inflate your life jacket after you leave the aircraft. In the unlikely event of an emergency, you should be familiar with the brace position appropriate to your seat. If you can reach the seat in front, brace by placing your forehead on the back of the seat, hold your lower legs, or put your hands on your knees. If you're seated behind a bulkhead, or you can't reach the seat in front, lean as far forward as you can and hold onto your lower legs. A lighted path will guide you to your exit. Your crew members are pointing them out now. Take a moment now to locate your exit as the cabin crew point them out. It might be behind you. To remember your nearest exit, count the rows between you and that exit. Your aircraft has slide rafts, which the crew will operate in an emergency. If you have to evacuate, leave all items behind. Slide, leaning forward with your hands on your knees.